Hey Ralph, listen, you and I both know that marketing is one of the most important things a loan officer needs to focus on to be successful. They're not just in the mortgage industry, they're actually in the marketing business, right? So I want to get some of your thoughts on what you think are the most important aspects of marketing for a loan officer.
Oh, thanks, Ski. Thanks for letting me share this idea with our audience. And any of you who have watched our videos in the past know that my basis is that if you're going to market yourself, be different. Don't do what other people do. And the idea of that is that if you help the people that you want to do business with, the referral sources that you want to do business with, attorneys, accountants, financial advisors, realtors, insurance brokers, and more, what you need to do is be an understanding of their business and how they generate business, so you're giving them ideas that help them generate business. So let me get to the marketing initiatives that I ask my clients to do when they are trying to generate business for themselves. And they're really, really simple. They're not easy, they're simple. Why aren't they easy? They're not easy because we're human and we have foibles. We have things that stop us from doing what we should do. If you're not going to start or continue a marketing initiative on and on and on, every week, every month, whatever it is, the time frame that you're going to use, I promise you, you're going to be wasting your time by even starting. But let me give you what they are. Number one, visit the people you want to do business with. Let them know how professional you are and how much business you have done, are going to do, and what you understand about the industry that you're in. Number two is you should text them once a week with an idea that helps them generate more business. Number three, the use of emails. Emails need to be done, let's say on a monthly basis, through the use of your CRM. That would be easily accomplished if you have your CRM properly organized. So you're sending out updates on programs, new programs, ideas that will help them generate more business, and any changes that are taking place on Wall Street or Washington that might affect their business. I really encourage you to join realtor groups, the realtor associations, and in the realtors associations, there are two main committees that I ask that you be part of. Number one, the education committee. Number two, their political action committee. They love when we help them raise money for their own political causes. So those are just a few of the ideas that I encourage you to do. If you want a form that I use with my coaching clients, please feel free to reach out to me and I will send them to you as quickly as I get your message. Thank you, Ski. Thank you so much. I know you have some things to say about this also.
Well, I don't know if I can add a whole lot to that other than to say that, listen, everybody, remember, marketing is your real main business here, because without that, you're not going to have any loans. But the key that Ralph was talking about was be sure you communicate in your marketing that the fact is that you're there to help your referral partners succeed. Use your technology, do it smart. Use your technology to make it easy and focus, as he mentioned, on the realtor groups. Ralph, I just want to mention to you, not everybody has foibles. I had a foibulectomy several years ago, so I don't have them anymore. But anyhow, with that, I'm going to leave everybody. I want to thank you. Please comment, like, and follow us, and pass one idea on to friends and associates by sharing this video. Thanks, everybody. Make it a fantastic day.